Wow, stop the thing for us. And then tomorrow, if all goes well, I'm gonna go to King's Dominion.
You're gonna go where?
King's Dominion.
Oh,
it's this theme park in Doswell. It's about 40 minutes north of here.
Oh, cool. What is the best amusement park?
Roman Rapids.
You got it. You got it. Have a good ride, guys.
Thank you. And so in the meantime, I kind of just like to take this along on rides if they let me. And I just upload it to my YouTube. Helps pay off college debt, and it also helps pay for my trips to theme parks.
There you go.
That's awesome. You're like a famous YouTuber?
I'm sorry?
Are you a famous YouTuber? Like
Somewhat. I mean, I have 2,000 subscribers, but I'm not at a point where it's like people are gonna impulsively go to a park to meet me.
Right.
My friend is somewhat famous.
Yeah.
He is a little bit more than I do, but he actually got in the industry. He does photography for parks.
Oh, cool.
For me, I just like to have fun.
Yeah. There you go.
I was just saying I wanted to go whitewater rafting.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said.
That water's cold.
Yeah, it is chilly.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, here's my turn.
Yeah, there it is. Oh, yeah. It's relaxing. Not that.
I'm sure the woman ahead of us loved that. The boop, boop.
Well, if you want like that boom boom action, you got to go on the front row of Loch Ness.
I don't want that action.
That ride beats you up in the front.
No way. My turn.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Really shady over here.
Nice.
This is nice. Boom.
Oh, yeah. There's the sprinkle city, so get a little bit of wet there.
Oh, ah!
Yeah!
Yeah! Whoa!
You have to push it yourself. You need more water. There you go, babe. Rock the boat.
Wait, no, 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 no!
Yeah, buddy.
No! No, it got me.
Yeah, it got me right in the ears, dude.
It got all of us.
That was awesome.
I was not expecting those little ripples to do as much as they were doing.
Yeah.
Oh, I made. That was fun. That was awesome.
Nice.
Are we
Oh, that's
back
it?
now?
And that's it.
Let's go again.
I might try and go for Escape from Pompeii.
I just did that.
We just did that. Yeah.
How was it?
That was pretty good.
It was. Yeah, there's real fire in the inside.
Oh, I gotta see it now.
Yeah,
It's cool. There's
pretty
like a
nice.
monument that falls over. And,
Okay, now I really gotta go see it.
yeah.
The drop is like, it's alright. It's crazy. Like, for me, it's crazy. I don't like big rides.
To the turntable,
We
and a
sat
cast
at the
member
very last
instructs you
seat.
to exit.
Gotcha. I just didn't want to get too wet on anything, so I threw everything in the locker, and I'm like, Roman Rapids is right here. I might as well give it a
Please
shot.
remain seated until the boat returns
glad we got
to
to
the
ride it with you.
turntable.
Yeah,
and
thank
the
you.
cast member instructs you to exit.
See, anything like you're not gonna get like submerged and like dunked in.
Please
Little
remain seated
wet.
until the boat returns to the
Not enough to
turntable
ruin
and the cast member instructs you to exit.
It's a flunk.
Please remain seated until the boat returns to the turntable and the cast member instructs you to exit.
Could have told Dan to ride this one.
It does a conveyor belt system. That's cool.
Please remain seated until the boat returns to the turntable and the cast member instructs you to exit.